Music Haptics is a fascinating iOS 18 feature. When you enable this feature, your iPhone plays rhythmic haptics in accordance with the music you are currently playing. The rhythmic haptics enhances the overall music listening experience on your iPhone or iPad. If you have a liking for this brand new feature, chances are you would love to create a vocal shortcut that can let you quickly trigger music haptics on your iPhone or iPad. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first up, you have to open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Now select Accessibility. And under the Speech section, you have to choose Vocal Shortcuts. Then tap on Add Action button or tap on Set a Vocal Shortcuts to proceed. Then you have to tap on the Continue option. Then you have to head over to the Accessibility section and choose Music Haptics. Next up, you have to input the custom phrase through which you would like to activate the music haptics on your device, for instance, haptics. And then you have to verify this custom phrase by speaking it 3 times. And when the shortcut is ready, you have to tap on Continue to finish, and that's pretty much it. From now onward, you can trigger the music haptics feature by just speaking this custom phrase. For example, haptics, just like this. Super handy, isn't it? If I found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye.